Hello, in today's video I'll explain the carpet cleaning settings, how to adjust them and what is the difference between them on your MOVA Z60 Ultra. Once you click on three dots in the top right corner, you can go to carpet cleaning settings. Now you can adjust it to vacuum, avoid, ignore, and crossing carpets. Then you can adjust even further settings right here. Now let's set the vacuum first. Vacuum means the robot will go on the carpets, but will lift its mopping roller and only vacuum, because that roller can be lifted so that it doesn't touch the carpet. In high pile carpets it may get them a little wet, but just like, you know, the ends of the piles, so it's not like the whole carpet's going to be wet. But in most cases, in low or medium pile carpets, it'll be totally dry, and in high pile carpets, it'll be just depends on you, honestly. And you can adjust the mop lift settings. So you can disable mop lift. No, you can't in that mode. Yeah. And you can set it to clean carpets first, so the robot will have that is a great feature as well. It may take more time because the robot has to go around the whole apartment and find all the carpets, clean them first, and then start the other areas, but it will use a dry mop for it, so the mop will be totally dry at the beginning of the cleaning, which makes sense. And that's, I think, a great thing to try. Now the option to carpet boost is just going to increase the suction power to clean the carpets. Unless it's in quiet suction power mode, then it won't increase it, because quiet is meant to be quiet. Now a close mop cover for carpet cleaning means it will close the cover on the mop to prevent there's just a cover there to prevent like getting the carpet wet. Then intensive carpet cleaning means it will reduce the speed of the robot and clean the carpets twice by crosswalking to enhance cleaning effectiveness. Then there's side brush rotating on carpet. You can enable or disable that. And carpet cleaning with chassis lifted. If in case like it gets stuck on the carpet, or it doesn't get on the carpet, then it will lift the chassis to climb on the carpet. In my case, that's very useful because typically with that setting disabled, it gets under the carpet instead of over, because I do have like pretty small carpets, and it just either moves them around or gets under them instead of over them. So that is a great feature. But besides that, instead of vacuum, you could have also set it to avoid. And you can see even on the picture, it will just go like around the carpet and not get on the carpet. Ignore will just clean as if there were there was no carpet. And well, that is only for areas where you don't have any carpets, or you have mats that can be mopped, like rubber mats. Otherwise, you probably don't want your carpet getting wet because it may cause mold. And it may also like have a pretty bad smell after some time. So and then there's crossing carpets, which means it won't clean the carpet at all, but it will go on the carpet. Just will disable vacuuming and mopping, and just go over the carpet. And like it's very similar to avoid, but sometimes it can't avoid. If the carpet blocks entrance to some room or something like that, then it's better to enable crossing carpets so that it doesn't so that it can access anything that is blocked by the carpet. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.